Imagine waking up every morning knowing your stocks are literally paying you cash without you lifting a finger. That's the magic of dividend investing, and today I'm going to show you how to turn it into your personal money machine. Quick question. Would you rather have $500 in your pocket today or $500 every single year for the rest of your life? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll bet most of you will change your mind after this video. A dividend is basically a thank you check from a company for owning their stock. Some pay quarterly, some monthly, and the best part? You don't have to sell your shares to get paid. You keep the stock, it grows in value, and you still collect cash. Here's where it gets crazy. If you reinvest those dividends, you buy more shares. More shares, more dividends. That cycle repeats, and over time, it snowballs. That's how ordinary investors turn a few $1,000s into six figures without winning the lottery. Now, not all dividend stocks are created equal. Let's break it down. High-yield stocks, big payouts, but sometimes risky. If the yield looks too good to be true, it probably is. Dividend growth stocks, companies like Johnson & Johnson that raise dividends year after year. Slow and steady wins the race. Dividend ETFs, instant diversification. Perfect if you don't want to pick individual stocks. Here's how you start. Decide your goal. Income now or growth later. Look for companies with strong balance sheets and consistent earnings. Focus on stable sectors like utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples. Use DRIPs, dividend reinvestment plans, to automatically buy more shares with your payouts. Let's say you invest $10,000 in a stock yielding 4%. That's $400 in year one. Reinvest it, and next year you're earning dividends on $10,400. Fast forward 20 years, and that $10,000 could snowball into tens of thousands without adding a single extra dollar. Of course, dividends aren't guaranteed. Companies can cut them. That's why diversification is your safety net. Spread across sectors, and you'll sleep better at night. Dividend investing isn't flashy, but it's one of the most reliable paths to financial freedom. If you want your money working harder than you do, this is it. Smash that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. And tell me in the comments, are you team high yield or team dividend growth?